These are my zucchinis. I have them growing in what seems like a gallon and a half, maybe 2-gallon pot. And there's 2 plants in there. I'm going to let you know how you tell the difference between the male and the female plants on zucchinis, gourds, cucumbers, even pumpkins, which is a gourd. These right here are the male, the skinny ones. Here's another male that's flowering. You see? Right there, that flower. That's the male. Let me show you how we know. Female flowers, such as this, right there, tend to have a little fatness or a little bulb on them. That's pretty much the pregnancy. So what happens is they both bloom. The female blooms, the male blooms, and their flowers are open and vulnerable. A bee or a little critter decides to come down and get that nectar out of the male plant right here. He'll fly in, buzz, 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 and then he'll fly over to a female plant, buzz, buzz, buzz. And the pollens from the 2 plants will mix, pretty much causing pregnancy. Once that happens, the flower will close. The flower of the male plant will fall off. And it'll be laying around your garden and you'll wonder, what is this? This is the flower that once was this. Now this will fall and turn to mulch or, compost itself right into the ground. So it'll continue to give nutrients in its own way. But for birthing a zucchini, its job is completely done. Now the mama plant will then close up as well, and her flower will eventually fall off too. But that's when the baby takes over. The zucchini will continue to grow until it's ready to harvest, basically. It'll get 6 to 8 inches long, sometimes 12. I've seen them even bigger. But that's it, babies. That's how the mommy and daddy work together to create the zucchini. Do you understand? Did you learn something? And most importantly, was knowledge born? I hope so. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.